Yahoo emails bouncing back, how to fix and prevent it. Yahoo email bounces can hurt engagement and sender reputation. Often it's due to technical settings or list hygiene. Learn the causes and fixes, and use Warmy's email validation to boost deliverability. Reasons why Yahoo emails bounce back. General reasons for Yahoo email bounces include invalid or inactive email addresses, which cause hard bounces and full mailboxes, leading to soft bounces that may be accepted later. Strict spam filters can also flag even well-crafted emails as spam, resulting in either soft or hard bounces. Technical issues like incorrectly configured SPF/DKIM/DMARC records can cause Yahoo to block emails. A poor sender reputation due to complaints or blacklisting may also lead to email bounces. Additionally, exceeding sending limits can raise suspicions, resulting in temporary rejections. How to fix Yahoo email bouncebacks. 1. To fix Yahoo email bounces, use Warmy.io's email validation tool. Upload your CSV list and the tool checks each address, giving it a score. High scores are safe to send to, while low scores indicate likely bounces. Clean your list for better deliverability and fewer bounces. 2. To fix Yahoo bounces, set up proper email authentication with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. These verify your email's legitimacy and help Yahoo trust you as a sender. Warmy offers free SPF and DMARC generators to simplify setup, improving deliverability and reducing bounces. 3. To reduce Yahoo bounces, control your sending volume and pace your emails to avoid rate limits. Monitor your sender reputation by keeping your list clean of inactive contacts. Warmy's free deliverability test helps check your reputation and fix issues, improving your chances of reaching inboxes. Use Yahoo Postmaster tools to monitor deliverability and sender reputation. For additional insights, check your status with third-party blacklist checkers like Spamhaus or Barracuda. Warmy's free deliverability test checks your blacklist status across major services, helping you avoid issues with Yahoo and improve inbox placement. Warmy's email warming feature helps boost your sending reputation by gradually increasing your sending volume. This builds trust with Yahoo, improving the chances your emails reach inboxes instead of bouncing. Yahoo's strict spam filters flag certain patterns and keywords. Warmy helps format emails and avoid triggers. Regular list cleaning ensures only valid Yahoo addresses remain, while personalizing content boosts inbox placement and reduces bounces. Thanks for being here. Visit Warmy.io and be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with our latest updates.